So your typical day in your college or classroom, like what time it starts, what you do, and how it goes. How would you describe a typical day?
Starts at 9.
Mine too, very soon
Assembly.
have to take assembly. We attend the assembly, half
Assembly.
an hour assembly.
Every day?
From Monday to
4 days a week.
Then
3 days.
days.
First semester it was 4, now it's 3.
Then 2 DC
Then,
classes.
then like classes, almost continuous classes till 4 or 5.
No, not that. Not technically have to be, but then we are.
Mandeep is not studying in this college.
And then we chill in the this SCR lawns.
Alright. What do you consider as the toughest or an easiest subject in your course,
Maths.
like so far?
Toughest math.
Toughest maths.
Maths, why? Because
And the staff, our teacher. Specific technical terms. No, the teacher is too good.
Achha.
His level
Easy
is
to good for us.
And what like that, and we are here, so we don't get what he says.
Alright.
And
So otherwise, do you think is it a maths is something that you guys can pick up on your own, even if the staff
we
is
can.
not that
Yeah,
great?
we
You can, right?
The staff is actually
But you
pretty good.
have to like math to be in economics, right? Because it's
Yeah,
going to be
you
an
have to
integral
have
part of your course.
compulsory, it's compulsory.
Math is compulsory, economics is not.
You think maths or statistics? What is it the same for economics?
No, totally different.
Totally different. So you really have to have a strong basic in math. In economics, practical theory, guys. That
No, we
difference?
don't have any
have
practical work.
No practical. So it's going to be a lot of theory, a lot of. Do you say rotting and mugging?
No, not exactly.
No mugging up.
Concepts.
It's just mathematics. There's nothing bugging up in that.
So that's what does your job profile look like? Now you finish your 4-year courses. What are you going to be doing?
Post graduation.
Mostly
So nobody's going to start working, right?
Yeah,
You
maybe.
start working. Do you think there are any job
in
opportunities
consultancy
for
services. In consultancy services.
consultancy? So what exactly would the job look like?
No idea. But yeah, consultancy services. That's what I know about the companies coming in for placements.
So what would you do your PG in?
LSE. Aiming for LSE.
And then after that, what happens?
Then like I personally want to like become an entrepreneur or something like that.
What is the salary package you guys? I mean, or what
Average
the
was
pay
8 last year.
would.
7.8 lakhs.
So you guys have placements.
Yeah.
So you guys are going to sit for the placements? No.
We're gonna sit, but like we
don't
won't
wanna
go.
take it.
We won't go. Yeah.
Let's
We would just
depends
sit.
on person. to
Yeah, what we get.
Why did you choose this course?
Interest. Purely interest.
What interested you in this? Now suppose I'm in 12th grade, I'm taking this course. What is it that I absolutely should have known before you came? Which was a surprise to you? Oh shit, I didn't know this. Or I wish I knew this and you had to cut the shit. Yes.
Nothing like that. It was just like, I had science with eco, so I had option both of like going for engineering as well as economics. But it was just like economics
For a
is
12th
something that appealed in
now-
economics, that interest or like I don't
For
know something.
economics, the main thing that you need to know now is maths. Basically, maths.
Are there any placements, internships that you guys go through in these 4 years?
Yeah.
Is it self or does the college give you opportunity?
We have
Yeah, we have to like
placement cell and
yeah,
IT for that.
yeah. There's a particular
Those
So
are
you guys
interesting.
approach or is it that everybody has to sit for internship or
there's
you guys
optional.
It's optional.
So will you go? Do you think it really helps internships and placements for a course like economics and English literature?
For economics, it's helpful.
Internship.
Okay. So what is the scope of economics? Now since you brought that word scope in. I'm sorry if I'm like drilling
No,
you.
no.
Just tell me. I mean, what
This
is
is like a
what do you
really-
mean by
Opportunities
scope?
in economics,
Really good feel
You
like
can go into
yeah.
banking and consultancy.
I'm basically opening I have all my options open, like from banking to like anything.